discovered something. This is in the raspberry muscadine grapevine. All these raspberries. These are the muscadines babies. Here is the strawberries, but there's something eating them, so I had to fence it off. And here is the black peppers. These are all the peppers. Over here you have ghost peppers. You have squash, the tomato plant behind that. You have corn. You have habanero peppers. You also have Trinidadian scorpion peppers. You have cabbage, tomatoes, string beans. Over here, you have Carolina Reaper. Kale in the back. You have the purple kale, and back there you have the green kale. You have romaine lettuce. Over here is scallion. This scallion has been here for 2 years. You have more hot peppers. You have squash, or what they call pumpkin. You have the sugar cane over there. You also have potato. And this is the cucumbers. Welcome to the garden. Hey, thank you for subscribing to my channel, and I'd like for you to check out Princess AGTV. I want you to go and check out my man, the Smoking Bear. Now, check this out. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.